Hey Elites, it's Steve and it's Tip Tuesday, and today I am going to show you an incredible combinations of food that I put together probably 6 days a week for my breakfast. I'm going to turn on the power right here, turn on the stopwatch, and see how fast it is to do this. I'm going to put below the benefits of each one. Some I'll show you 10, some I'll show you 25 benefits, but let's show how easy this is. First I use steel cut oats. And why steel cut oats? Steel cut oats is like a power food. It's rich in protein, soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber breaks down into like a gel and it stabilizes your glucose levels. It's also good for your cholesterol. Insoluble fiber is more to keep you regular. So let's do that. I'm going to put in my 1/3 of a cup in there. Next we got walnuts. Alright, walnuts are the highest antioxidant nuts than any other nut. And scientists have proved that if you eat walnuts 3 times a week, it'll reduce your risk of cancer by 40% and then cardiovascular disease by 55%. These walnuts are also they're loaded with omega-3s, which again helps you with cholesterol. So I'll put that 1/4 of a cup in there. Bang. Alright, next we have, this is one of my favorites. It's coconut oil, but it has to be unrefined organic coconut oil, and it has to be virgin coconut oil. Coconut, so mine's harder. It gets hard on you in the winter time. In the summer it becomes like a liquid. But so coconut oil has MCFAs, medium chain fatty acids, which they go right to the body for energy. It's not stored for fat. And they have a super disease fighting fatty acid called lauric acid. And lauric acid is antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral. So I'll put that in there. Do a couple of scoops of that, 2 tablespoons. Put that in. Now we got another one of my favorite, is almond butter. And almond butter, not only is almond butter and walnuts really good for your cholesterol, but it's also great for your skin. And almond butter has a special probiotic that helps with detoxing the intestines, which is much healthier for you than some of the other products that they have on the market. So, do 2 of those. And then my water is done. And I will show you this product, which is amazing, that heats up your water really quick. Put my water in. I'm going to let it sit. Now for sweetness, you can either do a banana, or I like to use agave. And I'm going to use this spoon because I love almond butter. Mix it up. And it's just going to let it sit. And as it sits, it gets a little hard. I'll put some low sugar almond milk, and that's about it. Below, like I said, I'll put down the 10 benefits of coconut oil, the 10 benefits of walnuts. I'll put in the oats. I'll put the 25 benefits of almond butter. That took me 3 minutes and 22 seconds. So if you have 3 minutes and 22 seconds to change your life, do this breakfast. This is Elite Fitness with Steve. Hit like if you like and subscribe. Take care. Peace.